What are you doing? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? What are you doing? What are you going to say?
I don't know.
He is going to the floor in blue. I want to hold toilet upstairs. He's going to check me out. It's perfectly.
It is electric, isn't it? It's got to be.
Told you. It's the sign to run it.
The electric must be in the other bit.
And
It must be in,
go for the other end of the
must be in the toilet bowl.
Yeah, so. We're going to clean chocolate. Okay? I'm going to we're going to clean chocolate before I can start channel. Tea or chocolate?
You taking our photograph, are you?
Yeah. Tea and chocolate.
Go on then, you take it.
Okay. We're going to go for tea and chocolate.
Tea or coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee, please.
Can I got him tea and chocolate? Can I have tea and chocolate? Sorry? Can I have chocolate?
2 coffees.
What about you? Okay?
Thank you.
Coffee, please.
Coffee,
Thank you. Yeah, 2 coffees. Thank you.
sugar, milk,
Good to chicken
Milk,
milk.
1 sugar each, please.
and milk.
Can I have some tea, sorry? Can I have some tea? For me.
Well, that's the bit we got.
Okay.
That's the bit we got.
No milk?
Milk and 1 sugar each, please.
Alright, thank you.
Can I have some tea? Can I have some tea? Yes, no. Can I have some tea? Yes, can I have some tea, please, sorry? And so you want to chocolate and onion. Water and onion.
Open this one. listen.
Water and chocolate and chutney. Enjoy.
We don't need any of that.
Water.
Yes.
Enjoy. ENJOY.
White.
No, right, blue. Blue. McGuire blue.
That has got.
We're going blue.
That's what?
That's got to go. That hose has got to go on the side of there.
Okay.
Somehow.
Now, water.
Yes.
McGuire blue.
1 or 2.
No, McGuire is blue. McGuire. It's blue. It's blue.
I'm struggling.
It's blue.
It's blue.
Yeah, that's blue. Yeah.
Yeah, the floor's going to be blue.
And wall.
And the wall.
Yeah, blue.
Toilet's going to be white.
Okay, blue color, clear or white?
They don't make a blue toilet.
No.
Brilliant.
Can Greg?
That one as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
Can Greg? Can Greg? Enjoy, enjoy.
I don't drive, no.
You enjoy.
What is that?
ENJOY.
I don't know where
Can
that
Greg?
There's a hose bit there.
Can Greg? Can Greg?
Alright.
What's that?
ENJOY. Enjoy.
I don't drive, no.
Yeah, you will. You will. One shot. One shot.
Yes.
Thank me. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy. ENJOY. ENJOY.
It's got to go on there.
Okay.
And I think that goes up to there.
Well, these are the bolts. Probably bolt it down, aren't they?
Okay. One shot.
Same both ends.
One shot. One shot. One shot. One shot.
Yes.
JOENJOY.
I don't drive, no.
One shot. One shot. One shot. One shot.
I can't see that goes down.
Okay. One shot. No. One shot. One shot. One shot. One shot. To me? No. One shot.
Hang on.
One shot.
Don't get all this mixed up.
Right.
We'll be in trouble.
I just put
Okay.
this here.
That
One shot.
goes on the end of there,
Okay.
which goes on there.
Okay.
No, that don't.
Okay.
Ah, there was an adapter, wasn't there? That,
Yeah.
One shot.
that's not it.
Okay.
Was that the thing on there?
One shot.
That, whatever that is.
Okay. One shot. One shot. One shot.
That.
What's that?
It must go on there then.
Okay. What's that? What's that? What's that?
That will go on there. I don't quite know I'm going to get that to fit on there, but
Okay.
it's got to somehow. And he's put a 90-degree on there. So that
Okay.
has got to fit on. What if that
So
does
what's
that fit
that?
on there? That fits on there though.
What's that?
So where does that go? That goes on the side of here somewhere.
And it there, is it?
What's that?
Hold on.
What's that? No. What's that? What's that? What's that? No? What's that?
Yes.
E-N-J-O-Y, inside.
E and J.
Inside, no, J, inside.
Enjoy. Hang on.
Okay.
It shows it pushing
Fine.
that down there.
Can I tell one thing, gentlemen? Thank you. Bye. I want to answer the question for you. Okay, thank you. Bye. Go.
That double thing goes on the end of.
That.
Ha.
Hang on, that goes on there. That clip goes on there.
The man, and turn his control on some glass of water, and look, the old glass of toilet is gone. I'm standing like a man, there. I'm standing like a man come here to black him. Okay. He took my old friend, called Ben Cassia, this is commercial friend. Don't go straight on your feet. It's going to talk like this is just constant, walk on and go. Okay. Go. Then keep this friend from here. Okay. Oh, the friend still friend. Cut. Cut. Was watching this week, she tried to do, and then was the response. And that new children of the war. The new camp was cut. Was watching this week, she tried to do, and then was the response. And that new children of the war. The new camp was cut.
Who's asked you to do this, eh, boss?
I'm gone. I am. Sorry, I'm gone. Back in point after, the alcohol from the front, and he put my little rock went in into my house again.
Give us the 90-degree one. No, not that one.
That's
The other
green.
one down there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on. That's it. No, that's big.
I can't believe this. I've not had luck.
You can't go into it, yeah. Oh God. It is so good. It is so good. Okay. Thank you, here. Thank you, Logan. Okay. That's my installed the little water pipe into the ship from the front. Before he can install the coil from the front, install of gas and go blue. Hey, he knows it. Hey, he knows me. Well done.
Tell you what, that might be there.
Thanks,
I
Logan.
don't reckon that's enough.
And try, not one, and try.
Right.
Okay.
That old kangaroo drive bit again, Dave. I need to make a bit.
Okay. I'll come.